Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI P Smart from 2019, and I will show you how to enable fast boot mode. So we'll start off by powering off the device. Okay. Give me a sec. Yeah. Power off and tap it one more. Now, make sure you have a cable ready, the one that came with the phone, or well, the USB one, and plug it into your computer. And I have mine like right here, plugged in. So once the phone is off, I will take it because I need to plug it in. I will hold the volume down, and while I'm holding volume down, I'm gonna plug it in. Now, as you can see, it turns on into fast boot mode now. So also, if you wish to leave this mode, you can just hold the power button for about like 5 to 10 seconds. And once more to turn it on. And now the phone will just turn on normally. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.